right, so multiplication tables do not require in-depth knowledge, and your child or student is primed for memorization right now. Hi, I'm Miss Shayna, and I'm here to share my 11 years of special education experience with you. Okay, so what I'm making here is a multiplication table set from 1 to 12, and I'm going to be making it so that I can either cut it into flashcards or keep it as it is and put it on my wall. What I'll be doing with my children is we'll be rehearsing these multiplication tables daily. I will pick about 1 or 2 tables to study per week depending on how quickly my children memorizes each table. Just for your knowledge, my children right now are 3 and 5, and I thought it would be a great idea to start having them memorize their multiplication tables. Learning multiplication tables as young as age 3 can give your child easy access to a ton of future math skills. Some of these math skills include fractions, graphs and data, algebra, division, quick mental math. Actually, so I teach adult education as well, and it is fascinating how many adults fail their GED simply because they do not have access to their multiplication tables. They do not know how to do that quick multiplication math when required. So they're running out of time, or they're spending too much time on step 1 to solve an algebra problem, leaving a lot of room for mistakes and just running out of time. Learning multiplication tables can be super beneficial for children age 3s and up because they have this uncanny ability to recognize patterns. There are patterns in recognizing that 3 times 4 is the same as 4 times 3, or that 7 and 2 are related to 14 in some way, or that the 5 times tables always end in 0 and 5. And don't forget, recognizing mathematical patterns is super beneficial for children to give them access to not only math, but to science, engineering, tech. One of my favorite reasons why it can be fantastic to teach your child multiplication tables at such a young age is that it gives parents or teachers so many opportunities to relate what the child is learning to real life experiences. The brains of children can be so amazing in how it's able to download a variety of information, a ton of just random data. But what is also beautifully designed is how children and adults get rid of a lot of the data that they don't use in real life, and they keep what is most useful, meaning what is repeatedly used in their day-to-day life. Because multiplication is so foundational, it is everywhere. Examples include sharing. So in essence, that's fractions. Multiplication is required. So an example of how you can create this experience for your child, a multiplication experience in real life, would be to maybe have 4 blocks and ask your child, your tutee, your student to share these blocks between you and them. Your student is going to attempt maybe 1 at a time to share those blocks. Once you have 2 and your student or your child has 2, then you say, wow, 2 times 2 is 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, here is an example of 2 times 2 equals 4. You can do this as early as age 3 because it can connect for your child. It totally can be a moment when your child is like, oh, like this is what multiplication is. Side note tips. 3 things you can start doing right now that may tremendously help your child. 1, if your child watches cartoons on YouTube, Change the language of the cartoons that they're watching from your first language to another language that you would like your child or your student to learn. Tip 2, introduce your child to more emotions than just angry, happy, and sad. You can include emotions like frustrated, confused, energetic, or amazed. Tip 3, we're going to keep it short and sweet. Work with your child to make a plan for the day. If you would like to know more about why these tips can really be helpful, make sure you subscribe because I'll be going into this for many and many videos to come. All right, let's get back to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. There will be many more to come. See you.